Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In the workplace, effective communication is essential, especially when expressing an argument or disagreement in professional education. In this video, I show you how to use it voluntarily and professionally in office setting. Stay tuned until the end. I believe we should focus more on digital marketing for this product because most of the target customer are active on social media.
I completely agree with you. Digital to marketing is not only more effective, but also more cash compared to traditional advertising.
Oh, actually, in addition, we call collaboration with influencer to expand your reach.
The idea I can start looking for some fluid care wall I like with or target marketing.
I am considering using this new software because it has advanced and modern features.
I am afraid I have to disagree with the software is in them. Advantage the subscription cost is quite high and it might not fully need our country name.
That's true, but I believe this investment is worth in it since it and improve our team efficiency.
I see your point, but what if we look for alternative option that better fits our budget? I can compare a few different options for us.
That's a good idea. Alright, let's review the alternative before making a final decision.